Onions, okay. Okay, let's share my screen. When you share my screen, when I share my screen, when you see it, let me know, okay. This time it should be perfect, very perfect, because this is the main setup.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just look. Everything we are going to see is what it is. It is a candle, right? Now we give it a bullish color candle, which is not a green, count it like a green color, okay. So
Okay.
we are going to call it a bullish candle, very bullish candle. What is the formation of this bullish candle? Look at this way. This candle started from here, right? Very started from
Yes.
here, and then it came down a little bit, and then all the way it goes to the upper side, and then it came down, and then it closed here. Is it? So if we give it a formation name, this is an opening of that particular candle, right? This particular candle.
Yes.
And then what it did, it goes to lower side, so we are going to call it low. And then it goes to higher side, we are going to call it higher. And then it closed eventually here, right?
Yes.
So in a full form, we are going to call it OLHC. You see?
See.
OHLC. Now, why we need that? Why we need that? Now I'm going to show something else. Look at look at this candle. Every single candle in the longer time frame, not the shorter time frame, okay? Longer time frame. You can tell that candle where it will go. Initially, we are in a daily time frame. Look at this. We are in a daily time frame.
Yes.
Before going to other one, let's draw the bearish one also, okay? So it is a bad candle, and we definitely going to have wick, right? Definitely going to have wick. And now what is the formation of this candle? It started here, it goes to the upper side, came down all the way to lower side, and then goes to upper side, and then it closed here. Is it, sir?
Yes.
So now we are going to call it a open here, open here, and then what happened, it goes to the higher side, and then it came to all the way to the downside, which is called low, and then it closed, right? So in a full form of this bearish candle, we are going to call it OHLC.
Please. See.
So a slight difference, not a big difference. One is, oh, just give me a minute. One is OLSC, another is OHLC, okay. Now, why we need those name or fancy thing? Look, any single candle in the daily time frame. Look, this is the opening of that candle, right? This is the very opening of that candle. So initially, when it open, and then it goes to higher upper side, right? And then all the way came to higher downside. You see, and then it closed here. It closed here, right? It closed here.
Yes.
So this is the formation of this candle. Look at this. This is the formation of this candle. So look, when this green one open, so it open here first time, where it goes closing side, lower side, right?
Yes.
And then it started to upper side. Every single higher time frame candle doing the same and same and same and same. Look at this one. It started here, goes first where downside, and then it started to the upper side and close on the upper side. Look at any particular one. This one, let's talk about specifically this one, right? This one, what it started, it opened here, right?
Okay.
And
Yes.
then it goes upper side this week, all the way to came downside, and then it goes a little bit upper and close. You see this formation?
Yes.
So in a long term way, you can eventually know way before what we are going to see today. You see, like, look at today's example. Why market open? This is the area eventually why market open. You look very precisely, right? This is the last candle close, and this is the open of this today.
Open.
What it did first downside,
Downside.
and then now what it is doing,
To the up.
right? So when candle started, within 2 or 3 hours you will know like what we are going to see today in the whole day. Now
The green.
every single candle is same and same and same and same. Look, the bullish formation is the same. Look, from here to here, from here to here. So this is the closing of this candle, right? This particular candle started here, initially goes via upper side.
Yes.
So when it did
Upper
that,
side.
when market was here, like 2 or 3 hours later, you already know all day we are going to see the sell. Like it closed here, it started here, came via down first, went to the upper side, right? Started here,
Yes.
came down first, went to the upper side.
Upper
Started
side.
here, came down, and when doesn't matter, it hold a maybe full two session it did this, and at the end, it goes to all the way to upper side. Now, some sometimes like this is the closing of the last candle, right?
Yes.
And it started here, right? So maybe Asian session and London session all took this thing, and now New York session. When you see this thing already, if you are only New York trader, like New York session trader, you may know like okay, market will go to upper side, so I may look for the buy. That's the best opportunity for me all today. So now you got my point, like why how you can already know how you all look at this current candle. It is the current candle, right? We still have
Yes.
in a 4 hour we have like 2.3 minutes left of this particular candle, right?
Uh-huh.
So look now what it did. It started here, right? It started here, and initially it came down, and then all the way now it's going to upper side.
Yes, sir.
And same thing happened here. Look why all the red one started and goes opposite first. Red one started goes opposite first. Red one started goes opposite first. And the green one why it came down first. Green one why it
Oh.
came down first. Because it's trying to go to the opposite. Okay, sir.
Oh. Oh, I think OLHC, OH, and C is really that's better, right?
Right.
Open and
Like
this very
just
very standard.
right.
Yes.
Just give me a minute. How where we draw? Uh, Maybe here. Why it is looking like that? Just like this. Okay, see, this is the just one. Okay, so this is the formation of bullish one, bearish one, right? Open here, O, and then go higher side, and then it goes to the low side and then closed. So OHLC for the bearish one, but the bullish
Very
one
one.
we are going to see something like this. This is the bullish one. You see, it
Yes.
started first here and then goes to the downside first, right? Downside and then
Yes.
high side and then close. So these are the two OHLC reason. So now you know why we look for OHLC, right?
Yes, I see. I see.
Right. So now let's start with the engulfing one. As you know, so let's not make much more time, not waste much more time. What is this color of this candle?
Very bullish.
Bullish candle. So we are going to see a bearish candle. So we have another engulfing which is like this, which is a very regular engulfing, right? Very regular engulfing. You will see particularly in everywhere. So this is the engulfing we can you can tell without doubting or without seeing anything, right?
Yes.
It is an engulfing. So we call it regular engulfing. Okay, we call it regular engulfing. But we have something else which we call irregular engulfing, which is when you have a bullish candle. So we go to higher, high and low, not the body, right? We only go to higher and lower, high and low. It doesn't matter how many candle it take. It may take two candle, it may take three candle, even 10 candle, right? 10 candle also. So when this low is closed by body, we call it an engulfing. You got my point, sir?
Yes, I see that.
So let's say it did like this, right? It did like this, did not close with the body, just the wick. Can we call it a engulfing now? No, it has to break out the body. Okay,
Oh.
so
Oh.
like this, no engulfing, but yes, now it is engulfing.
Oh. Okay. I see.
So what if now, as red, what if it become the, again suddenly we see a different color combination? In that case, what we will do, we will shift this one to this one. Now it will be our high and low. So now this candle low has to break to become an engulfing one. You see, you got,
Oh,
okay.
this engulfing is inside engulfing or outside engulfing? Outside when I think inside when is engulfing, right?
Inside way,
We will take we will take this one engulfing this one engulfing, right?
engulfing.
Yes.
No, we need color combination. Color combination. Let's go to chart. We are
Oh,
going to see some example. Okay, you will understand.
oh, okay.
Okay, just give me a minute to find out the better example. Better example. Uh, Go to 30 minute or 15 minute. Let's find some finest example for you. Okay. Um, Look, sir. Look. Here we have a green color candle right now, right? So what we are going to do, we mark that green color high and green color low, right?
Yes.
So we need to see some candle which will break out this low with a body. Okay. So we,
Uh-huh.
and then we next we have this red candle. So and suddenly we see another green candle, right?
Yes.
So in that case, we shift our area from here to there. This is not valid because we already have a different color candle.
Oh, okay, okay.
So now it is our engulfing cell.
Engulfing,
You
yes,
see, sir?
yes, yes, I see, sir.
So engulfing by will be the vice versa.
Uh-huh.
Same as we did for this one, right? So now go with me with the chart. Let's learn something, you and me together, whatever we have seen in our chart, right? Uh, what it is,
Engulfing,
engulfing what?
engulfing by,
What it is?
engulfing by.
Do we have anything like with this and this candle? No, right? Did
No, sir.
high or low, nothing is broke out anyway the body, right?
Yes.
What it is?
Engulfing,
Buy,
engulfing by, sir.
buy, right? Now
Yes.
what it is?
Engulfing set,
Right, what it is?
engulfing set,
Sell. And now what it is?
engulfing by.
Engulfing buy. And do we have anything with this candle? Nothing.
Is nothing. Yes.
Nothing, right? Because this low is not broken out with the red candle. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What it is?
Engulfing
Sell.
sell, sir.
What it? Nothing. What it is? It is nothing because nothing happened. Nothing happened. So what it is? Sell, right?
Engulfing sell, sir.
Right. So look at this one. We just saw that example, right? So what it is? Sell.
Engulfing sell,
What it is?
engulfing sell also.
What it is?
Engulfing buy,
Buy. What it is?
engulfing buy,
Buy. And now it is a engulfing sell. It is
sell,
engulfing.
sell.
And now what it is?
It's engulfing buy, sir.
Buy. Now what it is?
It's engulfing sell,
Nice, na? What it is?
engulfing buy.
Wow. So everything you see in the chart is engulfing buy or engulfing sell, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you look, every color combination, either it is becoming an engulfing buy or engulfing sell. Color combination means it should be engulfing buy or sell. Engulfing buy or sell. So what we are left with, this candle, this candle, this candle, same color candle. We are not naming anything, right?
Yes.
Nothing we are naming. So now it is our time to see what are those eventually. Okay. Some people call it gap. Some people call it something else. Let's see. Let's say. So we have a gap level here, right, sir? Like two same color
Oh,
candle. We are calling it open and closed level, okay? Because this
same.
closed
Oh,
here, the red candle and red candle, same color, right?
yes,
No other combination here.
yes,
In that particular case, we go to one time from lower. Look what we have here. What we have now.
oh, engulfing sell. getting sad.
Right, right, right. Everything you see in the chart is either engulfing sell or engulfing buy. So why we need those? Why we need? You know the engulfing fail? What is engulfing fail?
And then the previous environment, right?
Okay, right now I'm going to show you what is engulfing fail. Okay,
Okay.
what it is?
This engulfing by
Buy. Now look something which is more interesting. So what it is?
this engulfing by
So our expectation is like, look what it is, engulfing
engulfing
sell.
there.
So market goes back to that sell area, right? And then we see the sell. You see?
Yes,
Now, when we have this engulfing buy, our expectation what market will come back, we are going to buy, right?
yes.
But it did not. It break out, right?
Oh,
So now we are going to call it engulfing failed, which is EF. You see, sir?
engulfing fail.
Right.
When did the second green come there? Second green
Look,
can.
look again, look again. I'm going to show you right now with a different example. You will understand much better way. What it is.
This engulfing sales.
So when we find an engulfing buy or sell, we expect market will goes back to that area we are going to sell. As it is an engulfing sell, so we are expecting market when goes back, we are selling, right? We will sell. Is it?
Yes,
So now look what happened. We see we have an engulfing sell, market went there. So we sell and let's say we find a very nice sell from here to there, okay? Now what we have here,
this engulfing by sales.
and our expectation what? When market will come back to that buy, we are going to buy, is it?
Yes.
So what happened? Market break out that
Oh,
area.
it's got bolt on. Yes.
So we are
Oh,
going to call it this engulfing fail. So is it EF?
oh, yes. At this stage, we can say right.
Right. And now the buy zone become much powerful sell zone. You got my point, sir?
The Python powerful. So please
What, sir?
excuse me.
Yeah.
Uh, what did you say? Python powerful says no.
Like this way. Look at this.
Excuse me, sir. Can I know your age? How old
Uh,
are you?
33.
Oh, 33. I'm 38.
No problem. Look, look, look. What it is. I'm drawing. It is an engulfing buy I'm drawing, right? A buy, right? So
Yes.
our expectation is when market will come back here, we are going to buy. Okay,
Okay.
like we are going to buy. So this zone is very strong buy zone now. Okay,
Okay.
what we saw, it did not reacted as we expected for buying, but it did something like this. So this zone is failed now, right?
Yes, yes, yes. This
So
is fail.
now this zone is much more powerful for sell rather than buy.
Oh,
You
okay.
got
I
my
see that.
point?
Yes, exactly, sir.
Yeah, now we are going to see some craziness. Okay? Very serious craziness. Like pinpoint entry, pinpoint preciseness, like 2 3 pips drawdown trade, everything. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.